May iba't ibang dahilan na kinukonsidera ang Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI pagdating sa pag-aproba ng executive session. Ito ang muling nilinaw at binigyang diin ni ICI Chairperson Retired Justice Andres Reyes. Paliwanag niya, bagamat may mga resource person na humihiling ng closed-door session, hinihikayat pa rin ng komisyon na isa publiko ang mga pagdinig kung walang banta sa kanilang seguridad.
They mentioned a lot of reasons, not only threat to their lives. There was, if I remember correctly, well, that's the right of a person. It's his personality, his humanity, and his personal life.
Kaugnay nito, isa sa humarap kahapon sa komisyon, si Pasig City Lone District Representative Roman Romulo. Ayon sa kongresista, voluntaryo ang kanyang pagpunta upang linisin ang kanyang pangalan at reputasyon matapos maidawit sa kontrobersyal na flood control projects at matapos din umanong magamit sa hindi wasto ang Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order o ILBO kung saan kasama ang kanyang pangalan. Sa pagdinig ipinaliwanag ng kanyang abogado ang rason sa paghiling nila ng executive session.
And to prevent, Your Honors, the potential harm to the reputation and life of the good congressman, Your Honors, considering that once the session is live streamed, the good congressman would have no control over how the information will then be used by the public, Your Honors. And on these grounds, Your Honors, we would like to request for an executive session.
Samantala, humarap din sa ICI si Bulacan 1st District Representative Danilo Domingo na gaya ni Representative Romulo ay humiling din ng isang closed-door hearing.
The hearings today, if live streamed, could cause undue pressure and influence on the pending investigations and pending cases involving the 1st District Jury Rig Office of Bulacan. For these reasons, Your Honors, we humbly request that we conduct an executive session for this hearing.
Parehong naaprubahan ng komisyon ang request ng dalawang kongresista, kaya agad nang pinutol ang live feed ng pagdinig bago pa magsimula ang mismong proceedings. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.